Hi friends, it's Lucy. How are you? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the kitchen for a new Tunes in the Kitchen session. So if you're new, first welcome. And if you don't know what a Tunes in the Kitchen session is, basically it's Irish trad music on silver flute in my kitchen. And if you're a musician, you're very welcome to play along with me. And if you're not a musician, you're very welcome to stick around just to enjoy some Irish trad music magic. I'm going to play a set of reels, which might be John Dwyer's or O'Dwyer's, followed by a Paddy Fahey tune. I will play a set of jigs, McIntyre's Fancy, The Maids of Selma, and Gillian's Apples. And then I will finish off with a set of tunes. The first one is a tune I composed. It's called Planxty Coe, and it's a tribute to the New Caledonia trip I had back in 2018. And I composed this tune just before I left to go back to France. And I will follow this tune with my all-time favorite tune, which is The Morning Thrush, and I've played it on this channel already a lot of times, but I'll never get tired of it. So I really hope you enjoy, and without further ado, let's get to the music. So I really hope you enjoyed today's session. I really hope you enjoyed listening to it or playing along with me. As always, these sessions are available as early access as well as audio recordings for patrons over on Patreon on the Valinor tier. So if that sounds interesting to you, there's a link in the description box below. And maybe you don't know, but I have recordings that are available for you to buy, basically. You can find it on my shop at the link below the video on Bandcamp. So if you're looking for a nice Christmas present, maybe is the time. Anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more Irish trad music content, and give this video a like if you liked it, and drop me a comment maybe to share your favorite tunes from this session or some tunes that you would like me to play. Until next time, my friends, take care, stay safe, and be well. Bye for now.